We thank God for this wonderful feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe. It is wonderful. It is the most visited, in Mexico, Guadalupe, the most visited apparition site in the whole world. No? Sa dami ng bumibisita. Sa mga Meksikano lang, napakarami. At binadayo pa na iba-ibang mga tao. No? Higit pa kaysa sa Lourdes, no? At sa Fatima. No? Napakarami. Dahil many things, no? We always want to see miracles. And one of the biggest miracles really is what happened in Our Lady of Guadalupe. Preba, no? Preba. Nagpakita siya nung 1531 kay Juan Diego, no? At inutusan si Juan Diego magpagawa ng simbahan, no? Sa isang bundok, no? And the Tepeyac Hill, it's called. Maggumawa ng simbahan doon. Hindi naniwala yung obispo at humingi ng preba, binigyan ng preba. Yung preba nga ay yung mga bulaklak na walang makikita sa buong Mexico sa panahon na yun. At saka yung larawan ng Our Lady of Guadalupe, the famous image which you will see here, di ba? Parang ganito yung larawan, ano? Yung Our Lady of Guadalupe. At yung larawan na yun, hanggang ngayon, no, more than 500 years ago, yun ang larawan pa rin. Nakikita, the original image, not made by human hands. It is a work of art, an image of the Blessed Virgin Mary, on a material which is very flimsy, madali masira, ano? Kasi it's made of cactus fibers. It will easily dissolve, pero it has survived the test of time. The paint, the material is all out of this world. No? It is proof really of something divine, of heavenly origin. No? Preba, hanggang ngayon. That is why it is very, very popular. It is in a certain sense living proof. But it's not a matter of the living proof. Because if we only look around, napakaraming himala nangyayari sa ating buhay. Kung titignan natin, hanapin natin, napakaraming himala na nababaliwala natin. There is so much which we take for granted. No? So many miracles. Sana makita natin ang kamay ng Diyos. Sa ating buhay na lang napakaraming himala nangyayari sa ating buhay. Again, I always say, the mere fact, nandito ako, nandito tayo. I'm sure ang namin ating dinaanan ng mga imposible. No? Let us not lose hope. There are always miracles happen in my life, in your life, in our lives. Himala, unbelievable things happening. No? Paano natin nalampasan itong napakalaking pagpasubok na hindi sinasabi, imposible. Pero nalampasan natin. There are many, many miracles happening if only we look around. Tignan mo, hanapin mo, meron himala. Let us not lose hope because God is at work. He is working. You may not see it. No? Hindi mo naman napapansin na nagbabago, hindi naman napapansin na lampasan na, pero nalampasan. Nagawa ng paraan because of the God of miracles. Look around and see. He is moving. He is moving mountains. Hindi lang natin nararamdaman. Pero pag nakita natin, He is around. And that is why there are many, many miracles. There are many people who intercede for us. In the year 1935, Pope Pius XI made this title of Our Lady the patroness of the Philippines. Nilagay tayo sa pangangalaga ng Our Lady of Guadalupe. That is why we Filipinos also have a great devotion to Our Lady of Guadalupe, not only the whole world, but for us in a particular way. Sabi niya, pumunta kayo sa ina ng Guadalupe. Make her truly your protector, yung patron ng bawat isa sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. Aside from the title of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception, the other patron also given to us is Our Lady of Guadalupe. So we thank God, no, for Our Lady of Guadalupe to intercede for us. Also, the person use, Saint Juan Diego. No, very, if you can get a chance to read this story, kasi yung piyesta ni Juan Diego was December 9. We celebrated the Feast of Immaculate Conception that day, so hindi natin na-celebrate yung fiesta ng magandang santong to, si Juan Diego. So we ask their intercession, we ask for their help, that truly we may see and not lose hope of the many miracles happening in our lives. Salamat sa Diyos.